Hello everyone, good day, good morning or good midday. My name is Zoibu or Zoe and I'm a mixed media artist from the Netherlands, but today I will show you my fountain pens, and specifically the ones from the brand TWSBI. As you can see, I've already collected quite a few and today I will take the time to swatch them for you and also tell them what inks I have in them and what I like about them the most. For swatching I will use this little booklet. I made it all ready for today. It contains 3 different booklets of the MD paper, and these 2 are the ones that we will be using today. I have one with writing sample and one with currently inked. I must admit that I basically write the 2 same things, but here I will write a little bit of a longer sentence, and for this one I will write a little bit of a smaller sentence. So yeah, this is just some kind of traveler's notebook. I will link it down below so you can check it out, as well as these booklets and what the specific size is. I actually wanted to get the traveler's notebook size, but I do not have that one. So let me just get this booklet and we will start swatching. Here we have them. I will start from left to right so you can see which ones I own. For the first one is this one. This is the TWSBI Eco Indigo Blue with bronze, and I have this one with a broad nib. So let me just open this up and get a little bit closer so you are able to see what I write. This was Indigo Blue. And you can see I'm left-handed, so I will try and angle it a little bit so you can see that I'm writing it. Indigo Blue with bronze. And the ink in this pen is actually Waterman Mysterious Blue plus Pennonia Blue Shimmer. Let me do a little flower or a lucky clove, can also work. There we go, little heart. First color done. For the second one I actually have a little list, so let me just get my list. The next one that I have for you today is the TWSBI Eco in bronze. No, Espresso with bronze, and this one also has a B nib. This one contains Diamine Handel as the color. No. Blue, blue. TWSBI Eco Espresso. Oh, you can see left-handedness strikes again. Espresso with bronze. Bronze. And this is the ink called I like this one. This is a pretty color. I still need to figure out the way that I like the best when swatching. What I like about this color is that when you put it on the paper it looks brown, but when it dries it will get more pink. So that's pretty cool to see. For the next one I have this one, also a TWSBI Eco. This one is the Caffee bronze. So before we had the Espresso with bronze, this one is the Caffee bronze. This one has the color Diamine Whipping Willow. Diamine Weeping Willow. Okay, let's see. TWSBI Eco Caffee bronze, or the Caffee with bronze. You know, if you Google this, you will figure it out. And this is the color Diamine Weeping Willow. There we go. Also do some little flowers here. One colored in. Let's do the first one. Little heart. I like this color a lot. It's more of a soft beigey color, but more leaning colder, like the cool tone than the warm tone. So this one is more leaning towards yellow than towards red, if that makes sense. And it got some nice shading there. And the final one on this tray is this one. This is the TWSBI Eco in Créme Rosegold. And this is actually the first one of the whole coffee creme colors that came out, I believe. So this is, oh, this is also a medium nib. TWSBI Eco in Créme Rose Gold. And as you can see, oh, I didn't write it with these. Oops, I will get back to that. This is a medium nib. And this is with the color Diamine. Winter Spice. Winter Spice. Another flower. Another heart. Another heart. There we go. I don't mind if it isn't the same at every one. So let me just put the broad, like here. Broad. This is a broad nib. Ew. This one is also a broad nib. I will just write it here because I have space. And the mysterious blue also is with a broad nib. Oh, so pretty. For the next tray I got these. We will start with the bottom two ones and then we go to the next two. I will start with this one. This is the TWSBI Irish. Let me check. The TWSBI Eco Irish Green, and this one has a broad nib. It is filled with a little bit leftover shimmer, but mostly it is the color Rohrer Klinger Alt Gold Grün. Let me write with it. Irish Green. This is a broad nib with Rohrer. Rohrer Klinger Alt Gold Grün. Grün. There we go. I like this color a lot, especially since it has some shading. Unfortunately, or fortunately, I do not really know, I sold this bottle at the Dutch pen show to someone from the Netherlands Pen Club. And I do regret it a little bit because it's really pretty. As you can see, I smudged a little bit of my hand color on here. But I hope you can at least see the rest of the green. So that is the Irish Green. Very nice. For the last one, this is actually my first TWSBI pen. And this is the TWSBI Eco in White. But what is very unique about this one is that it has an extra fine nib. So that's quite different from all the other ones, as you can see here. But I will show it to you. TWSBI Eco in White. This is an EF nib. And this is with, let me check, the Pilot Hiroshi Suku ink. And the specific color is called Show Rio. And this is a very pretty pen. Or at least this is the first one that I got. And it got me hooked. Because I was like, whoa, if an EF pen can do this, what can the broader nibs do? I just really liked it. And it writes well. Really small, really tiny, but it works. For the next pen, we have this one. This is the TWSBI Diamond in the color Rose. This is, I believe, more of a special edition. But someone on the Netherlands Pen Club was selling this one. And I thought, might as well. This was the second diamond pen. The other one that I will show after this is the first one. But I thought, might as well. This one is with a medium nib. And you can see it writes very wet. It's like almost a broad because it's so wet. TWSBI Diamond. It's a Diamond 580 by the way, and this is a medium nib. This is a colored or inked with rose. This is colored with Diamine Best Wishes. This color looks way different on different kind of paper. It is actually more of a blue, but now it almost looks like a black, and it has a lot of sheen, and it also has shimmer. So you kind of have to, think how that might look. But I actually wrote all my Christmas cards with this one, and I had a lot of fun. So that's the TWSBI Diamond in rose. Red is not a very or a color that I choose a lot, but this one, very nice. And then for the final one I want to show you today is this one. This is the TWSBI Diamond 580 in Smoke Rose Gold. When I bought this had actually a stub nib, but now I put a different nib in there, and this is a broad nib. I inked it with TWSBI TWSBI Diamond in Smoke Rose Gold. There we go. Smoke Rose Gold. Broad. And this is with TWSBI. I just like the broad so much. Even though I'm left-handed, so I'm prone to smudging, I enjoy writing with these very greatly, or very well. I enjoy them a lot. The little heart as well. There we go. If we zoom out a little bit, you can see the swatches next to the pens. Just gonna pick them all up. I had no problems with these breaking or cracking or anything. Maybe it's because I live in Europe. So these are all the swatches. TWSBI Diamond with the color Smoke Rose Gold with TWSBI. Then we have the TWSBI Diamond Rose with Diamine Best Wishes. This color actually looks black, but I promise you that is just the red shine that you see. And it has some very cool glitter. So if you use this in a pen, I recommend using a broader nib and also getting a ton of the shimmer. But if you don't use a lot of the shimmer, this is very nice. Then we have the TWSBI Eco White with extra fine with the Pilot Aero Shizuku ink. The TWSBI Eco with Irish Green, also very pretty. The Créme Rose Gold with the Winter Spice, also shimmer ink. But as you can see, it becomes just really dark, really nice, and I like it a lot. The Weeping Willow from Diamine in the Coffee Bronze. The Espresso with bronze with Diamine Handel. What I said before, when you start writing with this, it starts really brown. And then as more as you use it, it becomes more pink. And I like that. And then of course the TWSBI Indigo with the Waterman Mysterious Blue and also with the blue shimmer. What I said, or what I didn't say, I do not remember. But these have shimmers, but some of them you cannot really see. And that's not really a problem, but it really depends on what paper you use. I hope this gave you a little bit of a view of my TWSBI collection. I think this is not the end of all the TWSBIs. But I do like them a lot, especially since you can see how much there's still left. Even if you hold it up straight, you can see how much is in there. Some of them have been used way more than others. And what I also want to say, since these, you can leave these pens for quite a long while. So especially this one, I never changed the ink in this one. And I think I got this for a year. So keep that in mind. It doesn't really dry out. Just keep them in a closed space. You can get some of condense, so you can see it's getting a little bit cloudy in here. No, not to worry. You can still use the pen and the ink anyways. But yeah, I like them. I hope you like my little collection of my TWSBIs. Let me know what color is your favorite. And if you watch till the end, do a flower emoji in the comments. Okay, thank you. This was me, Zoibu, another page in my sketchbook. I hope you liked it, and I see you another time. Bye! Bye. Bye, bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Check another video. Bye bye.